Welcome back to Franksway. What do we have here today? Old marathon, 200,000 kilometers on the clock, XRV750, and a but ugly Transalp 650 2005 model, which is about 10 years younger than the Africa Twin of 200,000 kilometers. I don't know how many kilos this has got on. There's nothing here in the front. I bought this bike for a simple reason that I want to rebuild and bump up old marathon's motor. But I don't want to let it stand, I still want to be able to use it. So this is a donor bike. I bought it only purely for the engine. I'll take it out today, hence doing the video. This is the last time you will see it one piece. From there it's disassembled. But this motor will go in here, it's a direct fit. Although it's a 650 versus a 750. I had a look at the compression. I think old marathon's compression ratio from 9 to 1 has now maybe 80 psi left. Quite a bunch of horses have left the stable throughout the years. This one tested out about 120, 122 psi, which is still great. I can use it for quite a while. But the plan is to obviously do quite a lot of work on the Africa Twin motor and not really revert it back to standard, and also not make it unreliable. So the thought process is I want to gain about 10 horsepower, which is doable. That'll bump it up to about 70 horsepower, which is fine. This is a workhorse, it's a stuffed donkey. It'll keep on running forever. So this will be our next work that we're going to do on the channel. For now there might be some other stuff in between, but I'm going to concentrate on this, and obviously we'll give you a bit of an update in the next week about the Guzi, what the progress is on that. But yeah, stick around, have a look. We are going to take out the engines and we'll give you a bit of an idea of what we're working towards, problems that we pick up. Wiring should be all the same, not an issue there. Cool, until later. Cheers.